example. Yes. Omar. Yes, Omar. Here.
21 divided 5 equal 4 and remainder 1. Here the equation is 4 and the remainder 1.
Is 1.
Is 1. So 21 is not divisibility by 4.
Yes. 21 is not divisible by 4. 21 divided 5 equals 4 and the remainder is 1. So 21 is not divisible by 4. Okay. Now, divisibility rule of the number 2. Where is the number 2? Introduce yourself.
Hello my friends, I'm the number 2. Any number can be divisible by me if its one digit is even, such as 12. Here 2 is even, so it's divisible by 2. And here 64. 4 is divisible by 2, so it's 4 is even, so it's divisible by 2. 198. Here 8 is even, so it's divisible by 2.
أهلا يا أصدقائي، أنا الرقم 2 وأي عدد يقبل القسمة عليه إذا كان أحدها عدد زوجي.
0 0
0 2 4 6 8.
Thank this number 2. Divisibility rule of the number 2. Any number can be divisible by the number 2 if its ones digit is even number. Is even is 2. So 12 is divisible by 4. Here, what is the ones? 4. 4 divisible by 4. By 2. Here, what is the ones? 8. So the number 198 is divisible by the number 2. Okay. Now, divisibility rule of number 3. Where is number 3? Introduce yourself.
Hello my friends, I am number 3. Any number can be divisible by me if its subdigit is multiple of 3, such as 63. Here 6 plus 3 equals 9. 9 is divisible by 3. 120. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 is divisible by 3. 78. 7 plus 8 equals 15. So 15 is divisible by 3.
مرحبا يا أصدقائي، أنا هو الرقم 3. قد تقبل القسمة عليه إذا كان مجموع الرقم من مضاعفات الثلاثة.
Thank this number 3. Divisibility rule of the number 3. Any number can divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. Such as 63. When we add 6 and 3, the sum is 9 is a multiple of 3. So 63 is divisible by 3. Here, when we add the digits 1 and 0, 1 and plus 2, 3 plus 0, 3. 3 is a multiple of 3. So the number is divisible by 3. Here, 7 plus 8 equals 15 is a multiple of 3. So all the numbers are divisible by 3. Okay. Now, divisibility rule of the number 4. Where is the number 4? Introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, I'm number 4. Any number can be divisible by me if its last 2 digits, tens and ones, is divisible by me, such as 12. Here 12 is divisible by me. 620. The tens and ones is 20. And 20 is divisible by me. 716. 16, the tens and the ones is 16. And 16 is divisible by me.
أهلا يا أصدقائي، أنا الرقم 4. جميع الأعداد تقبل القسمة عليه إذا كان رقم الآحاد والعشرات من مضاعفات الأربع.
Thank this number 4. Divisibility rule of the number 4. Any number can divisible by 4 if the ones digit, the tens and the ones is divisible by the number 4. Such as, here, the ones and the tens, 12. 12 is a multiple of 4. So 12 is divisible by 4. Here, what is the tens and ones? 20. 20 is multiple of 4. So this number is divisible by 4. Here, what is the tens and the ones? 16. 16 is a multiple of 4. So the number is divisible by 4. Okay. Now, divisibility rule of the number 5. Where is the number 5? Introduce yourself.
Hello my friends, my name is the number 5. Any number can be divisible by me if its one digit is 0 or 5, such as 340. The one digit is 0. 65. The one digit is 5. And 870. The one digit is 0.
مرحبا يا أصدقائي، أنا رقم 5. قد يقبل الكثير أو قد تقبل القسم عليه إذا كان رقم الآحاد 0 أو 5.
Thanks, number 5. Divisibility rule of the number 5. Any number can be divisible by the number 5 if its ones digit is 0 or 5. Here the ones is 0, so the number is divisible by 5. Here the ones is 5. This number is divisible by 5. Here, what is the ones? 0. So the number is divisible by 5. Okay. Finally, divisibility rule of the number 6. Yes. Where is the number 6? Introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, I am the number 6. Any number can be divisible by me if the number is both divisible by 2 and 3. Let's take some examples. 84, 66, and 120.
أهلا يا أصدقائي، جميع الأعداد تقبل القسم عليه إذا كان أحدها عدد زوجي ومجموع أرقامها من مضاعفات عدد 3.
Thanks, number 6. Divisibility rule of the number 6. Any number can be divisible by 6 if it's divisible by both 2 and 3. Here, the ones is what here? What is the ones here? 4. The ones is 4. 4 is even number, so the number is divisible by 2. What is the sum of 8 and 4? 12. 12 is a multiple of 3, so the number is divisible by 3. 84 divisible by 3 and divisible by 2, so this number is divisible by 6. Here, what is the ones digit here? 6. 6 is even. And what is the sum of 6 and 6? 12. So 12 is a multiple of 3. So this number divisible by 2 and divisible by 3, so it's divisible by 6. Okay, now divisibility rule of the number 10. Where is number 10? Introduce yourself.
Hello my friends, I am the number 10. Any number can be divisible by me if its one digit is 0. Example, 100. Here the ones is 0. 640. Here the ones is 0. 70. Here the ones is 0.
أهلا يا أصدقائي، أنا الرقم 10. يقبل القسم عليه إذا كان الرقم أحدها 0.
Thanks, number 10. Divisibility rule of the number 10. Any number can be divisible by the number 10 if its ones digit is 0. Here, what is the ones?
0.
So the number is divisible by 10. Here, what is the ones?
0.
Here, what is the ones?
0.
So the number is divisible by 10. Okay. Now, important note. Who can read the first note? Yes, Omar. Read it.
Each whole number except 0 is divisible by itself.
Each whole number except 0 is divisible by itself. For example, 10
Is divisible by 10.
10 is divisible by 10, 5 is divisible by 5, 100 is divisible by 100. So, any number can divisible by itself. Okay, the second note. Who can read it? Yes, Ammar.
0 is divisible by any whole number except itself.
0 is divisible by any number except itself. Okay, give me an example.
0 is divisible by 8.
0 is divisible by 8. 0 divisible any number equals 0. So this number 0 is divisible by all the numbers except 0. The third note, who can read it? Yes, Ahmed.
Each whole number is divisible by 1.
Give me an example.
15 is divisible by 1.
15 is divisible by 1. Any number divided 1 equals the same number. 15 divided 1 is 15. So this number is divisible by 1. Okay. Now, challenge time. the worksheet. Each group solve the worksheet. Together. Okay. 120 is divisible by which number? Who can answer this question? 120 is divisible by which number? We choose one from each group, okay? Yes, Iyad. 120 is divisible by 10. True or false? Why?
Because 0 is 0.
Yes, the ones is 0. So the number is divisible by 10. Yes, this number is divisible by 10. Okay, so stars group 1 point. The second group. Another number is divisible by 120. Yes?
And 3 because 1 plus 3 and because 1 plus 2 equals 3.
3 is true. Muhammad, is it true?
Yes,
Why?
because when you plus 1 and 2, it's multiple of 3.
Yes, this number is divisible by 3. The sum of the number 1 plus 2 is 3. So it's divisible by 3. So this group take 1 point. This group, yes, yet. This number is divisible by 2. Is it true?
Yes,
Why?
because it's once is even with another.
Yes, excellent. Here the ones is even 0. So this number is divisible by 2. Yes, this group take 1 point. Here, yes, yet.
By 5.
Why?
Because the one's digit is 0.
Yes, if the ones digit is 0 or 5, this number is divisible by 5. So this number is divisible by 5. If there another number is divisible by 120, this group take 1 point. If there another number is divisible by this number, yes, Muhammad.
6.
6, why?
Because here 20 is 4. Because here 20 is divisible by 6.
20 divisible by 6? What is the divisibility rule of 6, Muhammad?
6, 2 and 3.
Yes, if the number is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3, so it's divisible by 6. Yes, so this number is divisible by 6. If there another number is divisible by 120, yes, Ammar.
4.
4. This number is divisible by 4?
Yes.
Is it true?
Yes.
Omar, is it true?
Yes,
Why?
because the tens and ones is divisible by 4.
Yes, the tens and the ones is 20, and the 20 is a multiple of 4. So this number is divisible by 4. Okay, excellent. Okay, another challenge. Find the smallest 3-digit number that is divisible by 3. Who can answer this question?
Stop.
Yes, Ahmed.
Equal 102.
The smallest 3-digit number is divisible by 3. Is 102? Okay, what is the smallest 3-digit number? 100. Is 100 divisible by 3?
No.
Why?
Because that 3 is divisible
0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. Is 1 divisible by 3? No. So this number is not divisible by 3. Make it 101. Is 101 divisible by Abdurrahman? 101 is divisible by 3? Why? If we add the digits, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1, 2. Is 2 divisible by 3? No. Excellent. So this number is not divisible by 3. Make it 102. 102. Here is divisible by 3. Why?
Plus 0
2 plus 1
plus 1 equals 3.
equals 3. 3 is divisible by 3. Yes, so that's the correct answer is 102. The smallest 3-digit number that is divisible by 3 is 102. Another question. What is the greatest 3-digit number is divisible by 3? The greatest 3-digit number divisible by 3. Think about it. Yes, Abdullah. The greatest 3-digit number is divisible by 3.
999.
999. Is it true?
Yes.
Yes. Excellent. Now the time for choose the correct answer. Question 1. Who can answer question 1? Yes, Omar. Question 1. Read it.
Any number is divisible by 2. Any even number.
Any dot number is divisible by 2. Who is divisible by 2? Even number. What is the even number? See.
0 and 2 and 4 and 6 and 8.
Yes, excellent. Excellent, Omar. So here, any even number is divisible by 2. Yes, choose even. The second question. Who can answer this number? Yes, Ahmed, read it.
The number 75 is divisible by 5.
The number 75 is divisible by 5. Abdurrahman, is it true?
Yes, because 75 has 5 in its one digit.
Yes, here the ones, it's 5. So this number is divisible by 5, yes. So this number is divisible by 5. Why this number is not divisible by 10? Yes, Muhammad.
Because it's one digit, it's not 0.
Yes, excellent, Muhammad. Yes, here the ones is not 0, so it's not divisible by 10. Okay, here, why this number is not divisible by 2? Yes, Anas.
Because the ones digit is not even number.
Yes, the ones digit here is not even. 5 is not even, it's an odd number. So it's not divisible by 2. And why this number is not divisible by 4? Yes, see.
Because the last two numbers from 8 are not divisible by 4.
Yes, 75 we can't divide it by 4. If we divide 75 by 4, we get a remainder. So it's not divisible by the number 4. Yes, excellent. Okay. Now question 3. Who can solve this question? Yes, Yasin.
3,516 are not divisible by 3.
This number is not divisible by 3. Is it true?
Yes,
Not divisible by 3. Okay, let's add the digit. 3 plus 5? Add the digits. 3 plus 5?
plus 5, 8.
8. 8 plus 1?
9.
9 plus 6? 15. 15 is divisible of 3. It's a multiple of 3. So it's divisible. Okay? So 3 is false. Is this number divisible by 10? See.
Yes, it's true.
Is this number divisible by 10?
And yes.
This number divisible by 10?
No.
Why?
And because it's one digit is 6.
The ones here is 6. So it's not divisible by 10. Any number is divisible by 10 if the ones is 0. Okay? So 10 is false. Here. 2. This number is not divisible by. This question is a mistake in this question. Here is a mistake in the question. Okay? Here we remove this word. 3,516 is divisible by, is not divisible by which number? It's, the answer is 10. Here the answer is 10. Yes. Here the ones is not 0, so it's not divisible by 10. This number divisible by 3, and divisible by 4, and divisible by 2. It's not divisible by the number 10. Okay.
And 5. 400.
Which of the numbers is divisible by both 4 and 5? Is this number divisible by 4?
No.
Why?
Because 45 is not divisible by 4.
Yes, the ones and the tens, 45. Not divisible by 4. So it's number not divisible by 4. Is this number divisible by 5, Ali? Is this number divisible by 5?
Yes.
Yes. So this number just divisible by 5. Not 4. Here, Yusuf. Is this number divisible by 4?
No.
Why?
Because 10 is not a multiple of 4.
Yes, 10, the ones and the tens, not multiple of 4. So it's not divisible by 4. Is this number, Ahmed, divisible by 5?
5? Yes.
Yes. This number is also divisible by 5, not 4. Here, 315. 315. Yes, Omar? This number divisible by 5?
Yes.
Yes, why?
Because it's once is 5.
Once is 5, yes. Is this number divisible by 4?
No.
No, not divisible by 4. Yes. So it's divisible by just 5. Here. Yes, Sif.
It's divisible by 4 and 5.
Yes. So 200, this number is divisible by 4 and divisible by 5. So we choose 200. Yes, excellent. Okay. Yes, Ammar.
715 minus dots is divisible by 4. It's minus 3.
3. Why we put 3 here? Why we choose 3?
Because if we give because the 715 minus 3 equals 712. 712, it's 2-digit tens and ones are divisible by 4.
Yes, excellent. Claps for you. Here, if we put 3, 715 minus 3 equals 712. 712 is the ones and the tens is 12. So this number is divisible by 4. Yes. That's right.
شكرا مستر خير مستر احمد على القصه الجميله دي بصراحه قصه مثاليه التنوع والمشاركات والمجموعات بصراحه عمل رائع جزاك الله خير شكرا
شرفتونا يا مستر.
المدرسه يعني فيه عباقره يعني بصراحه
ما شاء الله ربنا يحفظهم يعني جميل.
نشكر الفصل وعايزينكم تحافظوا على المستوى اللي انتوا عليه ده بصراحه فصل رائع يعني احنا نفسنا بنستريح لما نيجي الفصل ده بصراحه جزاكم الله خير واستمروا في التفوق بتاعكم ده ان شاء الله.